So then that goes into the debate of AI and FME. Do you have any thoughts on AI?
Yeah, AI is, this is really a vast and evolving topic. I'm only touching the surface, so by no means I'm the expert. I was just explain what we have done so far. And as I alluded earlier, the A3I program or A3I application or service that we have established, that was about 3 or 4 years back in Howard of Terra Systems Southwest, and came up with the idea of introducing machine learning and use supervised learning to parse and standardize addresses to increase to increase Arizona's geocoding percentage. And it turned out to be a quite a success. And I think the pro is really this no coding. Once you structured and set up your project and you under certain control, you produce a machine learning kind of process, start training, and the end user, they can just feed their data into it. It will generate a result, right? And and that this process very adaptable without coding, without modification of code, of course, is adaptable by throwing additional data entries for additional rules, train additional rules. So it's adaptable. There will be, for example, when we first use machine learning to do parsing, we found that many of the Spanish named streets in Phoenix, we all know we have quite a few, and he just couldn't understand. So we managed to teach A3I to learn some Spanish, just enough to be able to parse that. So it's adapt. And so as to the con, I would say, machine learning can still not be devoid of human intervention because
Mhm.
it tend to generate some false positives or false negatives, right? And how we compensate for that? We wrap around machine learning engine with a more traditional RDBMS and regular expression based kind of environment to catch, to validate, to identify, essentially adding another level of validation quality control so that we know what type of error it is, and we will kick that off to another round of training. So we have a perpetual cycle of we keep learning each and every time, keep learning and keep using the learned engine for production purposes. In the process, it will spit out errors and issues. We're going to have a manual process to continue the training, and then it will be accepted. New rule will learn. It will accommodate, such as bench names. Most bench name rule come through. It will be trained and being accommodated. So I think the adaptive nature is its greatest asset, and along with the no coding, because it's
Mhm.
behind the scene. I believe is all statistics based, kind of prediction model. Right. And but we still need to make sure, especially in the supervised learning, natural language processing, uh, with which I have some familiarity. And so I think the con is we still need the people in the loop to help ensure the quality of training. So it's all about training. You need lots of data. You need lots of quality training sessions to teach the machine.